Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, thank you for joining me today. I'm so excited to show you the latest Daphne's Diary magazine. Plus, I also get to show you something new in their shop, which is this set of Christmas cards. I'm so happy to see this in their shop. I love how it was packaged with this lovely little folder where it holds everything in. So I guess it's like your little card holder. And I really am loving how beautiful the images are, but also the quality of the cardstock that was used. It's just beautiful. So you can see how nice of a design it is, and it's different than your, average greeting card. I like the way that it kind of opens up, and you've got these little doors that kind of reveal something in the center. Now, of course, if you are a Daphne's Diary magazine lover like I am, and you kind of end up cutting yours up to use in projects when you're done reading it and going through the articles and everything, I'm thinking the same of the cards. Like once I've decided who is getting some of the cards, I might keep, maybe one or two to make a different project. Another thing I'm really liking is how not only they include the envelopes, but the envelopes have already the liner in them, which always is just an extra touch, right, with your envelopes. So the card sets come as a set of 8, and there are 2 of each design that I've shown you. So these are the first 4, of course, and the other side here has the other set of 4, which is the exact same thing. So I will link their shop in the description box below if you're interested in getting any of the details about the card set or the magazine subscriptions and all that stuff. I will link that below. But I did want to mention how the packaging for these cards has given me so many ideas already. And I'm so excited to kind of start making projects that, that kind of include the ideas that I'm getting. And of course, I can't wait to figure out which of the cards I'm going to repurposing, if at all. But I might just end up sending them all. We'll have to see how it works. But I absolutely love it. I can't believe that they have these in there. It's always nice to see a variety of goodies in their shop. So as always, questions, comments, please leave them below. But if not, check out their shop for more details. And now I'm just going to show you the magazine, a flip through of it. Grab your favorite drink. I'm just going to do paper sounds and a little music for you to enjoy. I hope you enjoy the flip through, and thanks so much for stopping by.